How to permanently delete an app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. The home screen is the primary interface for accessing apps, widgets, and system controls. It features a customizable grid of app icons, widgets, and potentially folders for organizing apps. Now, swipe to find the app that you want to delete from here. Tap and hold that app. Here, select Remove App at the top. Then, tap on Delete App to confirm deletion. Deleting this app will also delete its data. You can now repeat this to delete the other apps as well. You can also tap on Remove from home screen if you do not want to delete it. This will remove the app from the home screen but will keep the app in your app library. Following these steps, you can permanently delete an app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.